ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 15-9 श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च। पदच्छेदे श्रोत्रं चक्षुः स्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणम् एव च। अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते। पदच्छेदे अधिष्ठाय मनः च अयं विषयान् उपसेवते। वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयः कर्मपदीयः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः. अयं श्रोत्रं चक्षुः स्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणम् एव च मनः च अधिष्ठाय अयं विषयान् उपसेवते. In 1a, adhisthaya has its own karmapadiyaha. Shrotram chakshus sparshanam cha rasanam ghranameva cha manaha cha. Also, in 1b, Vishayan is karmapadiyaha or upasevate. Because adhisthaya is a levantam, ayam is saman kartrukam for both 1a and 1b. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यास. श्रोत्रं चक्षुः स्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणम् एव च मनः च अधिष्ठाय अयं विषयान् उपसेवते. श्रोत्रं श्रोत्र इयर नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं. श्रोत्रं श्रूयते अनेन श्रुकरणे स्ट्रन् द इयर. श्रोत्रं श्रुतेनैव न कुण्डलेन. दिस इज फ्रॉम भर्तृहरि नीति शतकम और वैराग्य शतकम 2.71. चक्षुः चक्षुष नपुंसकलिंग द्वितीया एकवचनं. चक्षुष एडजेक्टिव. चक्षकरणे उसी उणादि. सीइंग नॉइटर द आई. दृश्यं तमसि न पश्यति दोषे दीपेन विना स चक्षुरपि. कृष्णसारे ददच्चक्षुः. Words like Ghrana Chakshus, Jnana Chakshus, Nava Chakshus, Naya Chakshus, I think it is Nayana Chakshus, Chara Chakshus, sight, look, vision, the faculty of sight. Sparshanam, Sparshana, Napusakalingam Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Sparshana, adjective. Sparshani, feminine. Sparsha or Sprush. Sparsha, Sprush, Va, lute. Touching, handling, afflicting. Sense or organ of touch. Again, the same shloka has been quoted. Bhagavad Gita 15.9. Cha avyayam and rasanam. Rasana, Napusakalingam, Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Rasana, the organ of taste, the tongue. Indriyam rasagrahakam, rasanam, jivha pravarti. न जयेद रसनम यावत जितम सर्वम जिते रसे. घ्राणम घ्राण नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. घ्राण past participle of घ्रा कर्मणि क्त smelt. घ्राणः घ्राणम smell smelling. The nose. गंधाय घ्राणमथ यो वेद. This is from Chandogya Upanishad. बुद्धीन्द्रियाणि चक्षुश्रोत्र घ्राण रसना त्वगाख्यानि. This is from Sankhya Karika 26. Eva avyayam also. Manaha manas napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Manas noiter. Manyate anena man karane asun. The mind, heart, understanding, perception, intelligence, as in sumanas, durmanas. In philosophy, the mind or internal organ of perception and cognition, the instrument by which objects of sense affect the soul. In Nyaya philosophy, manas is regarded as a dravya or substance and is distinct from Atman or the soul. Tadeva sukha dukkhadyupalabdhi upalabdhi sadhanam indriyam pratijivam bhinnam anu nityancha. This is from Tark something. Pashanna duratman nasapyadhrushyam. Kayena vacha manasapi shashvat. Manasapi na vipriyam maya कृतपूर्वम अधिष्ठाय अधि प्लस स्था धातो लेबंतम अधिष्ठा प्रथम गणे यहाँ परस्मैपदी यूज्ड विथ accusative as per Panini Sutram 1-4-46. To stand on or upon, to sit in or upon, occupy as a seat, etc. Resort to various meanings. I think to be head, to be at the head of, govern, adhisthaya, governing all this, presiding over. Shrotram chakshusparshanancha rasanam graham adhisthaya manaschayam vishayanupasati. Same sloka has been. So presiding over and thus turning to use. Ayam idam sarvanama. Idam this sarvanama. Atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Vishayan. Vishaya. Pullingam dvijaya bahuvachanam. Vishayaha. An object of sense. These are five corresponding to the five organs of sense. Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Sparsha and Shabda. Corresponding to the eye, Rupa, eye, Rasa, tongue, Gandha, nose, Sparsha, skin, and Shabda, ear. Shruti Vishaya Gunaya, Sthita Vyapya Vishwam. A worldly object of or concern, an affair. The pleasures of sense, worldly or sensual objects, usually in plural, यौवने विषयेषणाम शब्दादीन विषयान भोक्तुम विषय व्यावृत्त कौतूहल निर्विष्ट विषय स्नेह विषया निवर्तन्ते निराहार से देना. This is from Bhagavad Gita chapter 2-59. उपसेवते उपसेव धातोः लटि प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम् उपसेव प्रथम गणीः आत्मनेपदी. To serve, to worship, to honor. Vairinam nopasevate. To be addicted to upasevate, enjoy. Adhisthaya manascham vishayan upasevate. Same shloka has been quoted. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Shrotram chakshusparshanancha rasanam grahanamevacha manaha cha adhisthaya ayam vishayan upasevate. Presiding over the ear, the eye, the sense of touch, the tongue and the nose and the mind, it experiences these objects of senses. Chando Vishleshana. Shrotram chakshusparshanancha अष्टाक्षराणि स्पर्शनम एतेषां मात्राः द्वे एका द्वे रसनं घ्राणमेव च अष्टाक्षराणि नमेव एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायम् अष्टाक्षराणि मनश्चा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे विषयान् उपसेवते अष्टाक्षराणि पसेव एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. प्रथमे पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अस्मिन् पंचदशाध्याये नवमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्याय notes of self study. The pronoun I am refers to Ishvara in the previous shloka. He, Ishvara, also experiences the objects of senses. One need not wonder. This was already stated as Purusha Prakritisto hi bhunte Prakritijan Gunan 13-22. Purushaha is anadi, just as Prakriti is. See, Prakritim Purushanchaiva Vidyanadi Ubhavapi. But on becoming Prakritistaha, he is obliged to experience Prakritijan Gunan. Shotram, Chakshu, Sparshanam, cha Rasanam, Granam are all Prakritija Gunaha. See, Shrotram, senses, Shabdaha, sound, which is Tanmatra, the elemental characteristics of Akashaha, Akashatattvam. See, Ahamasmi, Shabda K, Gita 7-8. Chakshu, senses Rupam, shape, size, color, which is Tanmatra, the elemental characteristic of Tejaha, Tejas Tattvam. See, Tejas Vinamaham, Gita 7-10, also 10-36. Sparshanam is sensed by Twak, the skin. Sparshaha is Tanmatra, the elemental characteristics of Vayu or Vayu Tattvam. See, Pavana Pavatam Asmi, Gita 10-31. Rasanam, Jivha, senses rasa, taste, which is Tanmatra, the elemental characteristics of Apaha, Apas Tattvam. See, Ahamasmi, Apsu, Rasaha, Gita 7-8. Raso Hamapsu Kaunteya. Granam, senses Gandha, smell, which is Tanmatra, the elemental characteristics of Prithvi, Prithvi Tattvam. See, Ahamasmi, Prithivyam Gandha, Gita 7-9. Bhumiraponalo vayukham mano buddhirev cha indriyani dasyaikancha. Bhumiraponalo vayukham mano buddhirev cha ahankariti yamme bhinna prakritirashtadha. So all these bhumi, apa, hanala, vayu, kham, they are parts of that ashtadha prakriti, which is known as the aparayam, as mentioned in 7-4, 7-5. The earth, waters, fire, wind and sky are parts of my eightfold prakriti, which is known as the apara prakriti. So that is how all these shrotram, chakshu, sparshanam, rasanam, granam, they all are prakriti gunaha. The important point, however, is that he experiences the gunaha by presiding over them, adhisthaya, not being subservient to them. Gunaha make or become vishayaha, called as indriyartha. How to be free of their influence is indriyani indriyartheshu vartante iti dharayan. 5-9. Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattvit. 5-8. The knower of the truth who is devoted to yoga should think, I do not do anything at all, bearing in mind that the sense organs operate among sense objects. One need not be concerned of that. Clearer advocacy on how one should compose oneself in respect of Indriyani Indriyartha. Indriyani and Indriyartha is in Yada Samharate Chayam Kurmongani Iva Sarvashaha. Indriyani Indriyarthebhyastasya Prajna Pratishita. When one is able to draw his senses from the objects of sense on every side, as a tortoise drawn in its limbs, then his wisdom is firmly set. Adhishthaya. Interestingly, the second line, Indriyani Indriyarthebhyas tasya prajna pratishtita, is repeated ditto in 2-68. The thought, the advocacy is that important. This study is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachedaha, Vakyamshaya Visheshan, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Visheshan. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which Links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.